Hi guys and welcome back to a new video. My name is Martina and this is a secret craft room. I am working on a gallery wall for Halloween, so in today's video I am making a new wall decor piece. Please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like my content. And without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I did was to cut out all the shapes from thick cardboard. You need to cut out the frame part 2 times and then one more time, but this time make the inner part thinner. You also need to keep one of the heart cutouts. Then I glue the 3 frame pieces together. Next I measured the edge and cut out strips of thin cardboard. Then I glued them on the edge of the frame. Then I did the same thing with the inside edge. Next I added a coat of spackle to the frame. I also added a coat of spackle to the heart cutouts. Then I traced out the letters for the word haunted on thin cardboard and cut them out. Once the spackle had dried completely, I sanded everything down. Next I decided which molds I wanted to use for the frame. I like to use hot glue with the designs with more intricate details. You can use clay if you want to, but I never get it to work. I used a few different molds and then tried them out on the frame until I figured out a pattern I liked. For these border molds I prefer to use air dry clay, but you could use hot glue in these too if you want. I like to add a little bit of white glue to help the clay stick better. Once I was happy with how the frame looked, I painted everything with black acrylic paint. Once dry, I traced the letters onto the heart cutout. Then I glued the cardboard letters in place and painted them black. Next I started to carve out the smaller letters. I started out with my Dremel tool, but I later chose to use one of my sharp clay tools instead. Then I glued the heart to the frame. Next I glued a piece of black felt to the back and cut off the excess. Then I gave the piece another coat of black acrylic paint. Since the heart is pretty thin, I couldn't use screws to attach this hanger, so I used super glue and hot glue to secure it instead. Next I dry brushed the whole piece with dark grey. Then I used a lighter grey to bring out the details a bit more. Then I used black to clean up around the cardboard letters. Next I used gold paint to paint the thinner letters. And then I added silver paint to the larger letters. The silver was a little bit too bright, so I dry brushed some black over it to age it a little bit. Next I added black light paint. I used yellow for the gold letters and white for the silver letters. I also added white to the details of the frame. The last thing I did was to add a coat of matte Mod Podge to the whole piece. Please don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.